Cloth review. 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 Sorry. Hey guys. It finally arrived. Remember I ordered that cloth back in God knows how much? Well, yeah. It's here. So as you can see, it says polishing cloth. From my view, it's backwards, but it'll probably fix itself when I'm done recording. This camera sucks at focus. Also, there's some tape where, yeah. In the back you have, you know, designed in California, blah blah blah, like the usual. So let's just get started. Peeling from here. Okay. Opening it up to find. It's a cloth. Oh, yeah, baby. That's what I've been waiting for. That's what I'm about. All right, nothing else in here. So here it is. Oh, wait, there's... Okay. It's some directions like, okay, safe for use on all Apple displays and services, but only Apple. You don't do anything else. Yeah, I'm gonna do everything else. Here we go, guys. Here's the big old cloth that we've been waiting for. You got your logo right here. It's a cloth. What else were you expecting? Here's that other cloth from that I talked about from what's the brand's name? Masircio? I don't know. I don't even know. I guess how I will review this is do a test on, I guess, my new iPad. I've already used this a bunch. So as you can see, it is already very dirty, right? Let's give this cloth, the non-Apple branded one, a go first. Okay, here it is right now. It didn't do a very good job. Now let's do it with the Supreme Apple cloth. Loads better. Wow. That is crazy. This thing is it's ungodlike. This is clearly the Supreme cloth. Like, it doesn't matter that if it's 20 bucks. It's supposed to be 20 bucks because of how supreme it is. A whole package of cloths for 10 bucks? Forget about that. Just get this one, even though it's 20 goddamn dollars. Anyway, this one, the Marcis, I still can't read the name. Yeah, whatever that one is. I'll give it a measly 4 out of 10. Screw it. It's awful. It can't clean at all. This is the one cloth out of many that just cannot get the job done, am I right? Now the Apple cloth, on the other hand, I will definitely give this an unbiased 10 out of 10. It is so good, like, oh, yeah, it is so good, guys. I highly recommend it. It's definitely not a waste of money. Buy it.